In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use Instagram on your Apple Watch. So we can't directly install the Instagram app on our Apple Watch. But I'm going to show you a little trick. If you follow, then you will be able to use Instagram from an Apple Watch. So first of all, you have to go to your iPhone and open the Message app, and then open a random chat or conversation. All you have to send the Instagram link as a message. So you can just type here instagram.com and send the link. Once the message sent, now go to your Apple Watch, press the crown to go to your app library and open the messaging app. And then you have to go to the same conversation. And here you find the Instagram link or instagram.com. Just tap on that. And your Instagram will be open in your Apple Watch Safari browser in just a few seconds. And you directly jump into Instagram page here. Now just tap on sign up or sign in. So I'm going to tapping on login to log into my account. So here we can see the login option. Tapping on login. And here is the login page. All you have to enter here your Instagram login credential. So I'm typing username, email, and I'm going to my iPhone and opening the keyboard notification. And here I'm just typing my account login credential. Once you successfully added your Instagram username, email, mobile number and password, just tap on login. And here you can save the password for future. So let's save the password. Again, tapping on save info. And then, as you can see, I've successfully signed in to my Instagram account. And now I can browse my Instagram from my Apple Watch just like this. And now on, whenever you want to use Instagram on your Apple Watch, you just go to the Message app, you just go to the chat or conversation and just open the Instagram link, and you'll be logged into your Instagram account from your Apple Watch. And you can also go to your profile page by tapping on your profile photo here. So that's how you can actually do it.